Hello everyone, it's me again, Josephine of Artisan Gift Collection. I'm here to share with you how I made 100% natural charcoal soap. I already ran the recipe in a soap calculator, prepared the materials, and now we're ready to go. First thing to do is to gear up for safety as we prepare our lye solution. Measure the distilled water, then the lye. Do this in a well-ventilated space. Always add lye to water and not the other way around, because when you add water to lye, there is a potential for your lye to volcano outside of your container, and that's dangerous. You don't want that to happen. Weigh the solid fats together. In this case, shea butter and coconut oil. Then, microwave them to liquefy. Weigh the liquid oils. In this recipe, I used argan oil, rosehip oil, castor oil, and olive oil. Weigh the essential oils. I used a blend of lavender, cedarwood, bergamot, and sweet orange. I added kaolin clay in lye water at a rate of 1 teaspoon per pound oil. I also added silk powder at a rate of 1 teaspoon per pound oil for that after bath silky smooth feel. Combine liquefied shea butter and coconut oil with the rest of the oils, then add raw unpasteurized honey at a rate of 1 teaspoon per pound oil. Then add charcoal or activated charcoal. I added 3/4 of a tablespoon per pound oil. However, I learned later on that 1 teaspoon per pound oil should suffice because the lather turned out to be ashy with too much activated charcoal. Add the lye water to the oil mixture, then do alternating pulse and stir until the desired trace. Add the essential oil and mix again. Now, it's time to pour. Scrape as much batter as you can from the container. Tapping makes sure all spaces are filled up evenly. Top texturing is optional, but I always want to do it. Cutting is not my favorite part because I'm not good at it, and I haven't invested in a wire cutter with guide that can facilitate a straight cut. But it is what it is at this point. These plain black soaps are now being adorned with lily flowers using the string pull technique. I prepared a small amount of batter and colored it with annatto seed infused in olive oil. The string I used was a DMC embroidery thread. Originally, I tried the acrylic crochet yarn, but that one didn't work. So the embroidery thread works better. This charcoal soap is very luxurious based on the type of oils used and the additives. It is cleansing and nourishing to the skin with the added benefits of activated charcoal, which is known to detoxify the skin by removing toxins, bacteria, and excess oil. Activated charcoal is also known to brighten the skin and clear away acne marks. Unfortunately, it is not sudsy at all. So what adjustments can I make to get better results next time? I will lessen the usage rate of activated charcoal to max of 1 teaspoon per pound of oil. I also have the option to add a little bit of sugar to lye water because they say that sugar improves lather. If I were to make charcoal soap that can be safely used for the face, even by our acne-prone teens, then I will replace coconut oil with babaso oil such that all the fats are 100% non-comedogenic. Thank you for hanging on until the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.